Hi everyone, you're welcome to Soda Multimedia. My name is Henry. Automation information digital skills and making money go from the online to the offline space. In today's video, I will show you how you can convert a hard copy into a soft and editable document using your phone or computer and Google Drive. So pay a keen attention, so I'll be leaving no stone unturned. So let's dive in. So I'll be taking you straight to my laptop screen now to show you how you can achieve this. The simple example is, for instance, you have a CV just like this, and you want to add up some certain things on your CV, okay? You want to add some certain things on your CV. Most likely you worked in so many places that you want to add, to beef up your working experiences. And you have acquired some, certificate and all that, and you equally want to add it to your CV to equally beef up your, what you have or what you have acquired over time. A lot of persons, because I do CV, approach me and they come with a sample of the CV. What I normally do is to take this CV from them and then convert it into a soft and editable document so that we can now be able to include those information that they want to add to the CV instead of retyping, starting from the scratch. We save you more time, more energy. Okay, so that is it. This is the CV. I have actually taken a picture of this CV, and right here in this tutorial, I will show you how to convert this very CV. You see how I'll convert this very CV into a soft editable document, which you can now be able to edit, add your information, and then equally share via electronic media or so many other means. Okay, so let's dive in. I'll be taking you straight to my laptop screen. No software needed, no paid app needed, just your phone or your computer and Google Drive. So let's go back to my laptop screen now. Now, this is my laptop screen already. I would be opening this browser. I use Google Chrome. So you are not limited to only Google Chrome. You can use Firefox, you can use any other browser. For the purpose of this tutorial, I'm using Google Chrome, which is my preferred browser. So right here, you will be going over to Google. Go to google.com, and at this place where you have apps, Google Apps, okay? Because Google Drive is an app inside Google. Click on where you have Google Apps, then select Google Drive, okay? Yes, Google Drive have open. Like I told you earlier, that I've already taken a picture of this CV, which I'll be converting right here in this tutorial so that you can see how this amazing software works, the magic it performs. Okay, so when you are here at this interface of Google Drive, go to this place that has plus sign, click on it. Said file upload, folder upload. We are uploading a file, not a folder. So select file upload. Takes you to your computer or your phone where you have that particular file saved. So I'll be going to where it's saved now. I saved it on my document and I'll be going there right away. Yes, this is it here. I'll pick it and say open. Give the time, it's loading. Give the time is loading. Usually it takes some seconds to load. Yes, it has finished loading. What I normally do is you can come here and refresh your browser because I want it to come up. Look at it, it's already up. That is CV for tutorial. That is what I named the document as. So I'll come over here and then go to this place. You have three dots. This place you have three dot line. Click on it where you have this three dot line. Then go to open with and select open with Google Docs. Okay, open with Google Docs. Now click on Google Docs. Yes, Google Docs is performing its magic now. See how this amazing AI is performing its magic right now. Boom, that's open. So you can see the original of the document is up, while you can see the document is already here. That's converted this hard copy into a soft and editable document. Right here, I can click on this and edit. I can add, okay, I can add anything here, edit whatever I want to edit here, and equally add information that I want to add to the hard copy that was given to me earlier, which is this CV. Okay, so from here you can copy this text to Word, or you can start editing this Google Docs. Okay, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, do me well to subscribe to this channel. Turn on the bell notification so that when next we post amazing videos like this, YouTube will notify you. Okay, this is where this amazing AI Google Drive perform its magic. Boom, we've been able to convert a hard copy into a soft and editable document. Okay, share, like, and subscribe to this channel. See you in my next video. Bye for now. And I will equally recommend you to go and watch this tutorial where you can be able to do a nice and professional CV that will land you that your dream job. Okay, so click on this video and watch it. It will do you good because you'll be able to produce or prepare that CV that will land you that your dream job. Okay, subscribe to this channel. Let's see you in my next video. Bye for now.